How can I manage my lawn to reduce pollution? Does my yard contribute to waterway pollution? Stormwater runoff from lawns can lead to nutrient pollution in our lakes, streams, and rivers. Let's look at how better lawn management can help lessen waterway pollution. With 2 million acres of lawns in Pennsylvania, our decisions around their management can have impacts on our waterways in our backyards and beyond. When stormwater runs off a property, it carries with it anything on the ground: pet waste, fertilizers, pesticides, and soil particles. Everything flows downhill toward the waterways. The problem with an excess of nutrients is that they cause eutrophication, or excessive plant and algae growth, which causes impaired habitat for aquatic species, resulting in fish kills and fouling of drinking water treatment systems. Some blue-green algae blooms can be dangerous to pets and people using the water. So what can you do to help lessen the impact of pollutants that reach our waterways? Minimize the amount of fertilizers and pesticides you use. Perform a soil test first to discover which nutrients are really needed for your lawn or garden's optimal growth. Test kits are available at your local Penn State Extension office, and master gardeners are available to help you understand the test results. If you do apply fertilizer, follow the minimum recommendations of the soil test. Keep grass clippings on the lawn for natural fertilizing and to increase organic matter. If you apply pesticides, always read the label and follow the directions carefully. The label is the law. Also, check the label for the environmental hazards section for concerns and guidance about use near water resources. Some additional rules on fertilizer applications are now in place for Pennsylvania. The new fertilizer law, 2022 Act 83, limits the application of nitrogen and phosphorus and restricts applications near water resources. The new rules are to prevent excess nitrogen and phosphorus from being applied and making their way to our waterways. Some other management practices that can be followed include cleanup of fertilizer on impervious surfaces like sidewalks, driveways, and streets. Cleanup clippings or yard waste from sidewalks and streets. Do not let them wash into the storm drain. Do not apply fertilizer when the ground is frozen or between December 15th and March 1st. Clear storm drains of debris. They often lead to the nearby waterway. And in hard-to-mow areas, replace grass with native plant species. If you have a lake, pond, wetland, flowing body of water on your property, do not mow to the water's edge. Create a riparian buffer to protect water quality. This buffer area of natural plant growth acts as a filter to help absorb excess sediment, nutrients, and pesticides before they enter the waterway. Better lawn management will help reduce nutrient runoff when big storms happen. Test your soil before buying or applying fertilizers. Use the minimum fertilizer recommendations from the soil test and clean up spills on impervious surfaces. Do not apply fertilizers on frozen ground. Read product labels and follow all directions. Keep grass clippings on the lawn and storm drains clear. And finally, keep an unmown riparian buffer along waterways, lakes, and ponds. If you want to know more, you can find videos and fact sheets on the Penn State Extension website. Just search for Stormwater Basics.